So I just thought I'd do an update on the Corsa, as I haven't done many videos in the past few weeks. Just a small thing. Basically I replaced the insert in the gear knob to this one because of this one just here, which was the original. As you can see, was all like worn out there with the chrome, and then some of this bit down here started like cutting into my hand when I shifted, and now when I pulled it out, all this stuff started breaking off as well. So the one I ordered did not have these bits that go into the holes on the end of it in. It just had a bigger rim with which was bigger than the hole, so we had to cut off the rim and then sand some of the back off to then get it to fit flat into here so there was no gaps. And then we had to use some Aerosite to glue it in so it didn't fall out, because if there was nothing to press it into, unlike this one. But it's just fine now. It's just flat around here, no gaps, and feels better to shift with than the other one. It's a slight bit of damage around this part, but you don't really feel it. It's alright.